To book a flight on Google Flights, start by entering your current location and your destination. You can then choose your travel dates and select the type of trip: round trip, one way, or multi-city. Next, specify the number of travelers, including adults, children, and infants. You can also select your preferred class of service: economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Once you've entered this information, click Search to view available flights. To book a flight, first select your departing flight, then choose your returning flight. The selected flights will be displayed, and you'll be presented with booking options. If there's only one option, you can click Continue to proceed. You may be given the option to purchase separate tickets for each leg of your trip. When you click Continue on the returning flight, you'll be redirected to the airline's website to complete your booking. There, you'll enter the necessary information to receive your ticket via email. Repeat this process for your departing flight. By following these steps, you can book a ticket using Google Flights.